Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your birthday on X. And for this we go to our X application and then from there tap left in the top on your icon, then tap on profile. And then from here tap on edit profile. Then we see here our birth date, tap on that, tap on continue. And then when we tap on our birthday, we can change it to the date that we want. Alright, this is my birthday. And there's another option. We can select who can see our month and date of our birth. And you can select the option, the year, that they can see in which year you was born. Alright, this is how it works. And if this is fine for me now, I tap on continue. And now we fixed it. Alright, this is how it works. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And thanks for watching.